Aura breathing. In this special chapter, Vinny's Adisan journey will bring you to a whole new world. We will be traveling together throughout the journey to explore your own aura and to discover your own powerful energy. Your aura is the vibratory essence surrounds you. Your mood, everything you feel, you think, and you do are interconnected and radiates into a spiritual energy that breaks into different colors and shapes. Let us explore deeper into the power of breathing to strengthen your personal aura. By doing proper aura breathing, it will help to lift up your spirit, your soul, your mind, and your body, which will eventually heighten the level of your energy. Dear Universe, I'm opening up myself freely and totally relaxed to welcome the positive energy to surround my whole body. Close your eyes and your mouth. Inhale through your nose deeply and exhale out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale again. Inhale deeply and exhale aggressively for 30 times. Now rest a few seconds. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for as long as you can. Exhale slowly. Now repeat by inhaling deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale aggressively for 40 times. Rest for a few seconds. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for as long as you can. Exhale slowly. Now repeat by inhale deeply and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale aggressively for 45 times. Rest for a few seconds. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for as long as you can. Exhale slowly. Now repeat by inhale deeply, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale aggressively for 50 times. Rest for a few seconds. Inhale deeply. And hold your breath for as long as you can. Exhale slowly. Now finish off the cycle of our aura breathing by inhale and exhale for 3 times. At this moment, your aura is being strengthened to the fullest. You can try to feel your own energy. Imagine the universe is in your hand. Imagine and try to hold the universe in between your hands, starting very small and becoming bigger and bigger. I can feel the energy is super amazing in my hands. It's just like the magnet. I hope you are fully relaxed and enjoy the entire session together with me in Vinny's Artisan journey. I hope this positive energy be around with you for as long as you practice it on your daily routine. And may this session help you to rediscover yourself. Thanks for watching Vinny's Artisan Journey. If you like my video, please click to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, see you next time.